Hey, so I use code sandbox a lot. I like using this one. But I was trying to figure out how to use the environment variables. Um, so you can see how it's working right here. So I have processing v, and this the environment variable right here, like what it's coming back with. And there's no package installed or anything like that. This is coming straight from Code Sandbox. You go right here to settings, and you can set it up right here. So I'm gonna just remove this, and I'm gonna show you something here. Actually, one of the things I need to show you. Okay, so it's deleted, but it might actually still process. Let me just throw something in here. Yeah, it's still gonna process because it wasn't working for me because I was missing this step. Let's see, my secret 2, and I'll put this is 2. Add. One thing is you have to restart. You have to restart the whole thing. So I'm gonna let that restart, and then once it restarts everything, then you use the process env, and then I'll put my secret 2 here, and then save it, and then it's gonna start console logging to the environment variable. So yeah, let me show you that, and I'm gonna wait for this to process. I'll be right back. Okay, so everything restarted. So you can see right here, this is hidden 2, and that's how you basically do it. I didn't know how to do it. I was looking around, I couldn't find it. I know something probably very simple, but yeah, hopefully this can help someone out. Okay, thanks.